Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the digestive system and the beliefs or the issues associated with the digestive system. Day 4 of intuitive anatomy is about your digestive system, and that is basically your alimentary canal. So from your mouth to your anus. It is an amazing system, and basically if your digestive system is working properly, then you're going to find the rest of your life is going really well. The rest of your body is going to be working a lot better as well. And so the key issues related to the digestive system are all about old abuse. And abuse for a child could be anything that diminishes their self-esteem. And so it doesn't have to be like a sexual abuse or a physical abuse. It could just be feeling diminished, feeling like you're not good enough. And, you know, throughout our lives, we've all experienced these things, whether it's from our parents or whether it's from the schooling system or even bullies at school. A lot of the times we're actually feeling abused. And so what can happen, it can affect our ability to trust other people. We've all been hurt in our lives by others. And, you know, we've all experienced these negative things. And so all of this ties in together into your digestive system, and your digestive system is actually really sensitive. And so what happens is if you're eating something and you're eating that food out of a craving, so maybe you are low in serotonin or something, and you're eating something that's going to give you that buzz or that happy feeling, then what's going to happen is your body's going to take that in. But if you're thinking, okay, well, this, you know, piece of chocolate, for example, is going to put an extra kilo onto my hips, and what's going to happen is your body's not going to absorb it properly. It's not going to break it down properly, and you're not going to metabolize it properly, because from your stomach, from your gut, your food passes into your small intestine. From where in your small intestine is where your vitamins and minerals are absorbed into your body. And so if that food's going in with stress, you're not going to receive all those vitamins and minerals that you need from the food that you're having. And so it creates a lot of stress. So it's really important that you actually allow yourself to enjoy whatever it is that you're eating. But like everything, it's about having balance. So, you know, balancing your diet, balancing things out with what you're eating. So if you do eat meats, then balance it out with a lot of salads and stuff. It's really important to have an alkaline environment in your gut. And, you know, salads, those sorts of things, vegetables are going to give you more of an alkaline energy. And so it's really important that you're taking care of things. And so even with our belief systems are acidic. And when we're changing those belief systems, it allows us to be more alkaline. So what we're going to do is have some downloads in relation to that. So what I want to do is teach you how to let go of past abuse. Teach you how to live without abusing yourself. Teach you how to live without feeling like you have to be punished for the rest of your life for your past. And teach you how to live without torturing yourself. Teach you what it feels like to forgive yourself and what it feels like to forgive the people who've hurt you. Knowing that you can allow yourself to move beyond those past hurts, and that you know that you are kept safe and protected by the Creator. So even if you forgive someone, the Creator is keeping you safe and protected from those people. The other thing we want to teach you is that you know what it feels like to trust, that you can trust yourself, that you can trust your connection with the Creator, and that you can allow yourself to move forward in your life, trusting yourself and your intuition, and that you know how to recognize your intuition, your connection with the Creator. You know how to recognize messages from the Creator. So let's teach you what it feels like to enjoy your life, what it feels like to embrace your life, and what it feels like to allow your life to be an exciting adventure, a journey, that you recognize that every moment is precious, and that you allow yourself to know that you are amazing and that you make a difference, and that every moment of your life is precious. So if you'd like to receive those downloads, then just say yes. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, click on like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.